In this video we will prove that cos theta to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 8 times cos 4 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus 3. So in order to prove this identity, first of all we know that if z is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta, then z plus 1 upon z is equal to 2 cos theta, and z to the power n plus 1 upon z to the power n is equal to 2 cos n theta. We can prove this fact by De Moivre's theorem, and now we have to find cos theta to the power 4. So we know that 2 cos theta is equal to z plus 1 upon z. Now we apply the power 4 on both sides. So we have 2 cos theta to the power 4 is equal to z plus 1 upon z to the power 4. Now here we will apply binomial theorem. So we have z to the power 4 plus 2 4c1 z to the power 3 multiply by 1 upon z plus 4c2 z square 1 upon z square plus 4c3 z multiply by 1 upon z cube, then plus 1 upon z to the power 4. Now this will be equal to z to the power 4 plus 4c1 is 4 and z cube multiply by 1 upon z is z square, then plus 4c2 is 6 and then z square multiply by 1 upon z square is equal to 1, and then 4c3 is equal to 4 and z multiply by 1 upon z cube is z square, so we have z square in the denominator, and then plus 1 upon z to the power 4. Now here we can see that 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 and cos theta to the power 4 is equal to cos 4 theta. Now this will be equal to z to the power 4, and we can rearrange this expression. So we have 1 upon z to the power 4, then plus, now we can take 4 common from these two terms, so we have 4 times z square plus 1 upon z square and then plus 6. Now we know that z to the power n plus 1 upon z to the power n is equal to 2 cos n theta. So if we put 4 in place of n, so we have z to the power 4 plus 1 upon z to the power 4 is equal to 2 cos 4 theta. So we will put 2 cos 4 theta in place of z to the power 4 plus 1 upon z to the power 4, then plus 4 times, now we can put 2 in place of this n, so we have z square plus 1 upon z square is equal to 2 cos 2 theta. Now we can put 2 cos 2 theta in place of z square plus 1 upon z square, so we have 2 cos 2 theta plus 6. Now 16 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 times cos 4 theta plus 8 cos 2 theta plus 6. Now we can take 2 common from this expression, so we have 2 times cos 4 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus 3, and we can take this 16 on the other side, so this will be written in the denominator. So we have cos 4 theta is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 8 is 16, so we have 1 upon 8 times cos 4 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus 3. So we have proved that cos theta to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 8 times cos 4 theta plus 4 times cos 2 theta plus 3, and this is what was to be shown.